And I really believe in this business. This to me feels like Bitcoin in 2012, Amazon in 15, Tesla in 16, Virgin last year. This is an enormous bet for me, and I think we're going to build a huge, huge business.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Hope your stock portfolios are doing well. And today, I have a very exciting stock to talk about, one that Ark Invest has been consistently investing in over the last couple of weeks. And it is a company that also Chamath Palihapitiya is invested in as well. There's not many times that we see both of these big name investors putting money into a company, but this is one of them. And the stock we're going to be talking about today is called Opendoor Technologies, stock ticker symbol OPEN. Opendoor is essentially a digital platform that allows people to sell their homes, buy their homes, and trade in their homes as well. Opendoor is aiming to make the buying and selling process of homes much more efficient, make it much less stressful. They're trying to do this iBuying trend where people are moving real estate online, not focusing on real estate agents as much, cutting out the middleman, and they even, rather than merely letting people list their homes on the platform, they buy homes directly from sellers.
If you take the playbook that they have and you just apply it to the markets in which they can expand in the US, at 4% share, this is a business that will do $50 billion of revenue.
So the company's been generating a significant amount of revenue, close to $5 billion in 2019. And they're in a number of markets across the country. And I think you're going to really want to stick around for what I have to say about the company. And we're also going to go over what Chamath and Cathie Wood say as well. If you enjoy this sort of content, you find it helpful, then make sure to like the video down below, subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notifications so you can be notified every time I post a new video, and comment down below your thoughts on Opendoor. For those who are new here, my name is Michael. I'm an investor and entrepreneur. Last year, our public investing account on Patreon, which is currently sitting around $610,000, was up over 105%. We're well on our way to getting it to $1 million this year. That's the goal. And if you'd like to see what stocks I'm investing in real time, when I buy a stock, when I sell a stock, if you want exclusive content that I don't share on YouTube, and if you want access to our Discord channel, well, then make sure to join our group using the link down below. We have a great time over there. So anyways, Opendoor is a digital platform that enables people to buy and sell property, as well as offer financing services for property purchases. In 2019, there were 18,799 homes sold on the platform in 21 markets across the US, and that generated them $4.7 billion. This may seem like a lot of money, $4.7 billion, when Opendoor's market cap currently is around $16 billion. However, they didn't make much money on that because a lot of times they're buying the homes, selling them, and they're really just making a small amount for every home they flip. So really, it was more around $300 million rather than the $4.7 billion that it says. But still, that represented a 161% increase year over year from 2018 to 2019. And what really differentiates Opendoor is they're trying to do a vertical integrated approach to real estate. They're not just allowing people to buy and sell homes, just not let them list their homes, let's say, like a Zillow, but they are trying to actually buy properties from homeowners, make it a lot easier, make it a lot simpler with the selling process. Currently, Chamath Palihapitiya, he helped bring this company public via a SPAC merger, and he had a lot to say about the stock when the merger first happened.
What they have done is something really incredible, and we think that they are building what we love to call a virtuous cycle. So how does this work? You as a consumer can now go to opendoor.com, and within 24 hours, they will give you an all-cash offer for your home. And if you choose to sell within 3 days, you can sell your home. It's a really incredible experience, and so you can start to understand how they can build a really powerful competitive moat. Because the more offers that they're able to make, the more homes that they will buy and sell, which means the more markets they'll dominate, which means the more value-added services that they can automate online, for example, mortgages, title, escrow, all these things where you used to have hundreds of pages of documents they can streamline through a mobile app. It also allows them to work with banking partners to secure large pools of capital at cheaper and cheaper rates. they can pass all these savings on to you, and all of that drives more demand to the business.
So as of right now, Chamath goes on to explain how more people who sell their homes on Opendoor, more people who buy homes on Opendoor, the better the platform will be. It's sort of like an Uber or Lyft. The more people that use the platform, the more people that are driving, the better it actually gets, the faster the service gets, the better the prices get. He explains how he sees the same thing for a company like Opendoor. However, there are actually a lot of fees on Opendoor right now that many people don't realize at first. And in reality, there isn't a significant cost savings from using Opendoor versus a traditional real estate agent. They have a lot of fees, such as the Opendoor service fee, seller closing costs, and repair costs as well. So it really comes out to be around 7 to 10%. Traditional real estate agents are more around the 6% range. They have some competition as well. Opendoor, their main competitors right now are Zillow Instant Offers and Knock, which are two companies in the iBuying space. Knock, it finds a new home for you, and it helps you move into that home and sells your old home. So they help you find a new home, sell your old home, and move in. The convenience fee for them is 1.25% on top of the agent and seller costs. So it's very similar to the percentage for Opendoor. Zillow Instant Offers, on the other hand, and OfferPad offer a very similar percentage as well. They operate in a very similar manner. They give you an offer within 2 days, inspect and list your home on their website, and OfferPad charges 7% versus Zillow Instant, which is 2.5% plus closing costs, which is roughly around 7% on average as well. So they're all around this 7% average range. They're not really much more cost efficient than using a traditional real estate agent. However, according to Chamath, he says that over time, as more people are listing their homes on Opendoor and people are moving away from using real estate agents and looking more towards doing real estate online, well, then these rates are going to get better. People are going to save more money because Opendoor will have more homes on the platform. They'll be able to get better rates from banks, and because of all of that. However, right now, the way I see it, I see this company has massive potential for the future because real estate is the one industry that hasn't really been disrupted in years. It's the same process as it's always been. There's a lot of companies trying to do this. Zillow has a pretty big advantage because they are where every single person looks right now. Zillow and Redfin are where everyone looks for at home offerings right now and home listings. That's where people check them out before they actually go in person. So since people are already going to these platforms to look at listings, they have an advantage because they could easily use their other technologies like Zillow's Instant Offers to do the same thing that Opendoor is doing. However, Cathie Wood and Ark Invest, they also see the massive potential in Opendoor as well. So Chamath and Cathie Wood both see massive potential in this company. I think long-term, it's going to be a great investment because long-term real estate is going to move from in-person to online. We're already seeing this trend accelerate because of the pandemic and the virus. I think we're going to only see this trend continue as people realize they don't always have to use a real estate agent or be there in person. A lot of people actually do deals without going to the house in person. They do FaceTime or virtual tours, video tours. There's a lot of other ways, and especially once augmented reality, virtual reality start getting implemented, I think these companies will definitely be able to take advantage even more so of this trend of moving the home buying and home selling process online. The main thing that Opendoor has for them, in my opinion, is that it makes it very easy to sell your home. For someone who doesn't want to have to deal with all of the agents and listing their home, Opendoor, within 3 days, they can offer you something, and as long as you accept it within 3 days, you can sell your home immediately and get a full offer. So that is something that is really significant about them. Other companies that do that right now. So in my opinion, I think Opendoor, if you invest in it, it's a long-term investment. It's not something that you can worry about short-term, but long-term, 5 years down the road, I think you'll definitely be happy that you invested in this company. Cathie Wood and Ark Invest has been purchasing a significant amount of it recently, and right now, they own around $170 million total across all of their ETFs. They own about $111 million, $116 million in their ARKW ETF, and they own $50 million in their ARKF ETF. So they own a lot of this. I think it has massive potential long term because the real estate industry is going to be disrupted. It already has started with Zillow, Redfin, Opendoor, Knock, all these companies. And this industry is a $1.5 trillion industry annually. So there's plenty of room for all of these companies to be major players in this industry. So we'll have to wait and see what happens, but I think long term they are good investments. Let me know your thoughts on Opendoor versus a company, let's say like Zillow. What do you think? Which one do you think is a better investment? Do you prefer Zillow or do you prefer Opendoor? But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to get your 4 free stocks, each valued up to $1,600 when you download the Webull investing app using the link down below. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.